What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I wash my cars, how I keep my cars clean, how I detail the cars. I'm gonna do this just the outside today. I'm gonna focus on the outside to show you how to wash your car, keep it clean and keep it detailed so you can get the good looks. So a lot of people always ask me, how do you keep your car clean? How do you keep it so shiny all the time? Today is your chance to see what I do and how I do it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you all the products that I use to clean the car, to wash it. So first, you can get any liquid, any car wash liquid, but this is what I'm using right now. I always have a car wash liquid to wash your car. And then secondly, I have my wash sponge. This is for the body of the car, and this is gonna be for the wheels. I use that for the wheels. And then I also use this brush to scrub inside the wheels, you know, the hard to reach places. I use that. And I have a couple different rags to dry the car after I'm done washing it. And then I keep a separate one to dry the wheels. So I don't want to mix the club that I use for the body of the car and put it on the wheels and put grease back on the car. Before I dry the car, I usually spray like a wax and dry spray on it to make the car shiny. So this is what I'm using right now, this turtle wax. First of all, I'm not doing advertisement for them. I'm just showing you what I use. And then for the tires, I use the Yamaha tire foam. This is the car that I'm gonna be washing today. It's a dark green color car. I'm gonna show you, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it's been raining a lot lately over here. If you can see all these water spots on the hood. I'm gonna wash this, I'm gonna detail it. It's gonna be all shiny once I'm done. So take a good look of the before and you're gonna see the after later. Alright guys, so this is how I do it. I put some soap in my bucket. First of all, soap in the bucket, not a lot. I'm gonna put it in there just a little bit. Put a little bit more. Should be good. Alright, you're gonna put some water in there. Get your foam going. Start throwing some water on the car to wet it, and then we're gonna soak it up. So as you can see, I only wet one section. We don't have to do all the section together. We're gonna do one section at a time. I'm gonna do this side, I'm gonna soak this side, and then rinse it off right away. Never let the soap dry up on the body of the car because it's gonna stain and it's gonna be all water, all soapy all over the car. You don't want that. You want it to be, as soon as after you finish soap it, you rinse it off. So I'm gonna do the roof first and then do the body. Alright, so I soak the car up on that side. Now I'm gonna rinse it off. side is done. I rinse it. Now I'm gonna do the other side. So stay tuned for the next step. Now I'm gonna wash the wheels now. I already switched my soaking sponge to the wheel one that I'm using. So I'm gonna soak it up. Make sure you get all the corners in the wheel and all the hidden spots. Let it just hide. Scrub it. This wheel is easy to wash, so tap out the spokes in that one, so you can put your finger right where you need it. Some wheels are harder to wash, but this one is not bad at all to wash. You can come in a little bit. See, the inside of the wheel is not that dirty, so I'm not gonna worry about that today. But if it was, I would have used my other sponge to scrub inside of it. Alright, so as soon as you finish soaking your wheel, scrape it down. I'm gonna rinse it right off. That. See how sparkly this thing is? No more dirty spots, no more grease, no more brake dust, all shiny. So now I'm gonna do the other front wheel, and after that we're gonna dry the car. I'm gonna show you the drying process of the car. Alright guys, so the car is washed now. Now it's wet. I'm gonna start the drying process. I got my rags ready for the drying process, and I'm gonna use this dry and wax and dry spray while the body is wet. We're gonna spray that on it, and then we're gonna wipe it down with it so you can wax it at the same time as we drying it. Okay. So we're gonna shake it up a little bit. Turn it on. Now I got all the body sprayed. I'm gonna start the drying process. Alright guys, so after drying the whole car, this is how the car looks. All shiny, beautiful. So I'm gonna take you around the car, show you. So this is the finished product, guys. I'm gonna spray some Armor All on the tires. I'm gonna pop the hood and clean under the hood also. I like under my hood to be clean, but this is it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.